Hello all and welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to make a miniature shivling with the help of clay. So I'm using here white color clay. You can use here any color of clay. So let's start. For that I'm using here a very small sized clay, and now I'm going to do it properly. And then I'm going to roll it. We will make its ball. We will make its proper ball of circular shape. You can see here I have made its ball. You can see here it is a ball now, and now I'm going to roll it properly like this, and you can see here a tube is made. And now I'm going to divide this tube into two parts, one smaller part and one bigger part. You can see one is small and one is big, and which part is our big we will keep it aside, and which part is our small we will start working on it. So this is my bigger one part, so I will keep it one side, and now let us work on the smaller part. So here now I'm going to make it a ball right now. So let's make it a ball like this. We will make it a proper ball shape. Here like this. We will make it a proper ball shape. And now with the help of our this part from my thumb to our index, the middle part, I'm going to roll it like this. You can see like this. I'm going to roll it like this by pressing it a little like this, or you can use these two fingers also to roll it like this. And we will make it here like this. You can see we will make it like this by pressing. Then we will press it a little more, and we will make its backside very much of thin. We have made it very much thin, this middle part, and we will make the rest all backside part also much thinner than the upper part. So let's make it. So we will make it like this. So you can see I have made it very small. From the starting point is a little bit it's thick, and when we go to the last it is going thin and thin and thin. You can see how thinner is the last part. It's very much thin. So I'm going to give it a very proper shape, and then we will start working on it. And here it will look like this, and the front part, which is like a circle, we will press it using our thumb like this. You can see we will press it and it will form like this. So we will keep pressing on it till it became very much thin, and now you can see it's thin. So we will when we will turn it to the backward, and we will take it's the front side, the top side, we will make it a little sharp. by pressing it like this. From these two fingers, our index and a thumb finger, we will press it so that the topmost point will be little bit sharper and little bit of narrow. So we will press it like this. Now you can see it will look like this when we will make it. What we can notice it from the bottom to the top, it's looking like a snake. You can see, you can absorb it. It's looking like a snake. And we also have to make it a snake only. So I have taken a very much thin part here of a clay, very much small part I have taken. You can see here how much small is this. And what I am going to do it, I am going to roll it properly and make it very thin, like a very thin. We will make it a thread like. Okay. Now you all can see how thin I have made it. We have made it very much thin. And now I am going to give design on the back side of a snake. Here I am going to give the design. First we will roll it out. Let me show you how I am making the design. You all can see this is a very thin stem, and what we are going to do is we will put it on here like this on the snake to give the design. Okay, you see that how I am giving it the design. Here I am taking that very thin thread of clay and I am putting that on the snake. Now you all can see that how the design is here. The design we are going to make like this, and now we will take very less clay. You can see here very less clay is this, and what we are going to do is, you can see the design, and in between this design we will put it. You can see in between only we will put it in the middle so part. Let's do it. Now you can see that how it's looking, just little bit like this, and this too the same. Yes, now it's looking good. You can see it's looking like a snake, and now we will turn its head a little bit down so that it will really look like a snake. Now I'm taking again very less clay, and we are going to make its tongue, and its tongue is very easy to make. For that we will take very less amount of clay. We will roll it, and you can see I have rolled it properly, and from one corner we will press it properly. You can see from one corner I have made it like a plate. You can see from one corner, you can see. So now I'm going to put that pressed part inside its mouth like this. We will attach it so that it will look like its tongue. After I will show you that how I done. You can see its tongue. I'm showing you here its tongue is there. This is its tongue, and now the work of our snake is fully completed, and now we are going to do the work of our the bigger part, which we put it aside. Now this is our next one part, which we have divided. Now we are going to roll it properly. We will roll it. Now you can see that how we roll it. We have to roll it like this, and then we will divide it into two parts, and one part will be smaller and one part will be bigger. You can see here I have divided it in one part. You can properly see I have divided it into two parts, that one, and one is smaller and one is bigger in size. You can see. And now we have to put our smaller part aside, and we have to take a bigger part and we have to work on it now. You can see we will roll our bigger one part in a ball. We will give it a ball shape, and then we have to really give it a cylinder shape, so that the upper part will be curved and the lower part will be flat. So let's give it the shape which we want to give it. So we will roll it with one finger only, and you can see here it is formed a cylinder, a proper cylinder. And what now we are going to do is we will press it with a hand. We will press it with a palm, and the lower part you can see is flat now, fully flat. And we need its upper part also to be little curved. So let us give that. So for that we will press its upper part and we will pull it to the upside, so that the curve will be formed. Like this we will put it and we will pull it. You can see. So after we done it like this, it will look like a bullet of a gun. It will look like a bullet. You can see. It is looking really like a bullet. But it's not actually. And now I have taken a little of clay, very less amount of clay I have taken. And now I'm going to roll it out. We will roll it and we will make again a very narrow stem, a very narrow thread we will make, as we made for the snake for the designing. The same we will make here to design this one a bullet. So let's make. Now you can see that from very less amount of clay we have made how much thin we have. Now you can see that I have made a very thin and very narrow thread with the help of that clay, and this we will use for the designing of this bullet. I'm going to make it a little thin. It will look like this, and we will design it. And let me show you the designing. You can see that how I made its designing, and now you all can easily guess it that what it is. It is actually Shivji, and it's Shivling. And now I'm going to make its tilak. So let me show you that how I made its tilak. Now see its tilak. Here its tilak is, and I'm going to add its tilak on the designing. Now you can see here in the middle the tilak is. So we have to make the shivling like this. And now only one thing is left, its lower part. Only its lower part is left. So for that we have left our. So here we have our less clay, that which we having. So now I'm going to roll this clay over the ground, and we have to give it a ball. We have to give it a ball shape. Okay. So let's give it a ball shape. So here we have. You can see here we have the ball shape with us, and now we have to give it a fountain shape and let me show you that how we can make it a fountain shape. So you can see the roll, the cylinder structure we made. In the middle we have to press it, and from the both side it should be large, and from the middle it should be very much of less. So let's press it from the middle, and you can see it will look like a dumbbell. It is looking like a weightlifting. You can see we have to make it really like this only, and now we have to press its bottom like this. We have to press and down, and we have to make it straight, 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 like this. We will make it straight. You can see we have to make it like this. It should be looking very much of like this, okay? And now we will put it just in the middle like this. But before that we have to do one thing. We have to press out the Shivji. So you can see the lower part, I'm pressing it out. You all also have to press it, so that this shivling can stick on its place properly, and it should be not be movable from its place, okay? So we will press it properly, and we will broad it, and now we will add it on this, and we have to attach these two together. We have to attach it, and it is made. And it is now, it's being done. Yes. Now we have to take its snake, the larger size snake, and what we have to do, we have to roll it around our Shivji. We have to roll it around our shivling or our Shivji, you can say. Now you all can see that how it will look. It will look like this, and just we have to paint it, or you can add some glitter effects on it so that it will look more beautiful, but I like this white color only. And we have to give it a little more finishings so that it would look more beautiful. Just the finishings are left, otherwise everything is good, looking good. Just we have to give it a more finishing. Okay, so let's give it a finishing, then I will show you. So this is our snake, and this is our snake, and this is our shivling, and this is our whole model of clay. You can paint it so that it will look more beautiful. So here we have made our shivling. Let me roll it out. It is its back side, and this is its front side, and here we have rolled it properly, and you can see how it is looking. I hope that it's looking very much beautiful. It's looking, and I also hope that you all like it. So if you like this shivling, so please subscribe my channel, like and share this video, and subscribe also, and click to the bell icon, and click to the all to get the notifications of whatever video I send on my channel. So this is the last review of this model shivling. This is the last review you all can take. Bye, and please subscribe my channel. Take care.